Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that if you cannot see a charging icon on your iPhone, so whenever you will see that I will swipe the right screen, you can see whenever you will put your iPhone on charging, there will be a image or there will be a small image of electricity charging a mobile phone symbol on this battery option. But if your phone is plugged in charging and you cannot see that image or that icon on your battery here, so what can we do and how can we solve that issue? So guys, firstly we just need to check that if our iPhone's charging jack is working or not. If not, then we just have to only one option, we can repair it from other store. And if this is working, then how can you solve that issue? How can you make that icon visible on your battery? For this, we just have to go on the setting option. Simply we have to reset our mobile phone, reset all the setting, all the network setting, all the mobile phone setting, and we just have to clear out our whole mobile phone. You can just go to, let me just do that. We will go on the general setting. In general setting, scroll to the down, and here is two option on the last called transfer or reset iPhone and shutdown. You just have to click on the shutdown option here, switch it off your mobile phone, and then after that you can restart it and your problem is solved. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you.